Today I'm going to show you how to make this hair pack which will help with your hair growth and help with hair loss. This is made with Mandy and I use it once a month, or you can use bi-weekly, and it gives a beautiful texture to your hair. It's a great conditioner. I'm going to show you how easily you can just apply it at home by just using a spoon. So keep watching and let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobes. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. For this, I'm taking an iron vessel. This helps to brighten a darker tint to your hair. You may use any other bowl if you don't have one. I bought this Nupur henna pack. This already has 9 herbs, which is great for your hair growth and makes your hair soft and shiny. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of henna powder since I have long hair. For short hair, use 2 tablespoons of it. I use henna as a natural plant-based conditioner, maintain my scalp health and strengthen my hair. Next, I'll add coffee and tea. Take a saucepan, add 2 teaspoons of tea and 2 teaspoons of coffee powder. I'm using Nescafe. Add around 2 cups of water. Let it boil. This tea and coffee powder brings out a darker copper color to your hair. After boiling, let it simmer for 5 minutes. Liquid will reduce a bit, then strain and keep it aside to cool down. This mixture is going to add in that additional color. To the henna powder, I'm going to add fenugreek or methi. I grind the fenugreek seeds to a fine powder using a dry grinder. This is so good, it's one of the most effective remedies to treat hair fall issues. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of fenugreek or methi powder. Then to this, add 1 teaspoon amla powder. This is made from gooseberry. This improves the tone of henna, conditions your scalp, minimize grays and reduce dandruff. Now add the tea and coffee powder liquid we made earlier. Add slowly and keep mixing until there are no lumps. You may also add a little bit of water if you find the consistency to be too thick. Mix together until a smooth paste is formed. Now keep this mix under cover for about 6 to 8 hours or leave it overnight. Next day in the morning, the paste is going to look thick. At this point, add a bit of water. You can also add yogurt or a little bit of oil. I'm just adding water. The paste is now ready to be applied. Before applying, always make sure to comb your hair well to get rid of any loose hair and it's not tangled. As you can see, I have some gray hair. I haven't used any other product to color my hair. I'm just using henna so far. Let's start applying. I don't have a brush, so just using this spoon. Yes, all you need is a spoon and it has been effective for me. You may use gloves if you wish. Take a small portion of the paste using the back of the spoon and start applying directly on the front of the hair, making sure the roots are covered. Also part your hair in between so that the inside portion gets covered as well, and behind the ear. One side is done. Now apply henna the same way on the other side. You can also hold a portion of your hair so that the paste is spread evenly. Get behind your ear so that they are not missing any part. Front portion is done. I'm going to take a small section of hair from behind. Let me show you how I do, because long hair is not easy to do on your own. Pull your hair further, apply and reach as much as possible, covering both front side and back. Next, I'm twisting the whole section and wrapping around like a bun. Then apply henna paste covering the entire portion well. After that, do the same process by taking another small section, apply it on all sides, twist, wrap around and cover the whole portion with henna pack. So far so good. As you do the last section, make sure to apply on the back side and all around the wrapped hair without missing out any portion. Do a final finishing touch. Great. All done. Leave it for 2 to 3 hours and wash using a good conditioner. My hair feels great and nourished with some color. If you want to know what foods to include in your diet, I'm going to drop the link in the description below. You can watch that video. And this is a hair pack that's great for your hair growth. It's a great conditioner. It will help with hair loss as well. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Stay tuned for another exciting video and don't forget to shine with Shobes.